Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. If you're new, it means so much if you click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. But I haven't done one of these videos in so long, and I cannot believe I'm even filming this video. But today I'm doing an unboxing slash review slash ways to wear the classic Chanel wallet on a chain. Chanel is honestly my dream designer. So if you guys just like watching like luxury designer unboxings, or you're interested in this exact purse, I'm going to go over everything for you guys. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. I will link my last luxury unboxing, which was like years ago, up above and down below. I do have a couple of them on my channel. Let's just jump right into it. So first things first, I have it in this box, and I actually went ahead and got the Chanel Wallet On Chain secondhand, which I totally recommend if you want to get a better deal to go the second-hand route. And even with the second-hand route, you can either get one that's like brand new with tags or more use. It really just depends. And of course, obviously, if there's more wear and tear, it is going to be cheaper. But I went ahead and used Poshmark. I absolutely love Poshmark. I'm not by no means sponsored by Poshmark at all. I personally sell on Poshmark myself. If you guys don't know my Poshmark closet, I will have it down below. It's just NICOLETTAXO, I believe. And I believe if you sign up to Poshmark now with my code NICOLETTAXO, you get free credit into your account. I believe it's $10 for US and 15 Canadian. So I will have my code down below. So if you guys do want to join and ever want to buy on Poshmark, you can have money right away in your account. But I am so happy with my experience buying my first luxury item on Poshmark, and I was able to get it at such a good deal as well, and a lot cheaper than if I went ahead and bought it from a Chanel boutique. Let's get into it. I'm gonna go through everything. Of course, I was given a card. I like to do this too whenever I ship out my Posh orders. It feels like it's like my little boutique, so I like to really take care of the packaging and make it all nice for my customers. But I love that. Already read the card. Actually has the Poshmark sticker here, because if you buy anything on Poshmark over $500, it automatically gets shipped first to their headquarters so that they can go ahead and authenticate that it is a real Chanel purse. I think that's amazing, of course, to avoid any scammers just in case. I love how it does go through another party to verify that it is legitimate, so that people are not able to scam you out of money and give you fakes. They're very against selling fakes and all of that, so I really appreciate that. So they go ahead and unwrap it and then rewrap it at the Poshmark headquarters. This is the box. As you guys can see, I put the bag in the back here because the item that I bought came with everything. I pretty much wanted new with tags, or where it was only used once or twice and still looks brand new. And personally for myself, I wanted everything included, the receipt and all of that. I have been eyeing this purse for years and just looking through Poshmark every single day. I swear my Poshmark search history has just been this purse for like years. Let's open it. So once you open it, this is what it looks like. Of course, like I said, it does come with the Posh Authenticate. So it says that it was reviewed by Marta and it is legitimate. So they always go ahead and do this for anything that's over 500, like I said. And then we just have, of course, the purse and the dust bag. She did go ahead and include everything like the authentic card. She even included her receipt of the purse. She included even the little ribbon that it came with. This is pretty much brand new. I believe it was just used like once or twice, but it's in like mint condition, which is what I really wanted. Over here is the authentication card. Let's move on to the good stuff, the purse. It just comes in this little velvet dust bag, and then when you open it up here, this is what it looks like. I am so excited. She even kept all the inserts of the purse. It's been taken care of really well, which I appreciate, and it looks brand new. So it's just the classic black quilted Chanel Wallet On Chain. I did go ahead and get the caviar material, and it just has the silver hardware. And once you open it, it just has the magnetic closure where the CC logo is. I have to say, lately, I definitely have been a gold girly, but I feel like my true self always goes back to silver. Silver was my favorite for so long. I honestly love both, but I did decide to go for the silver hardware. I just think it's gonna go with a lot more of my outfits, and I just feel like I always end up going back to silver jewelry a lot and just like silver hardware. So I wanted to get it in that. It does come in lambskin and caviar. And if you're like me and you're a little worried and maybe you're not the best at taking care of things and you're just a klutz, I would recommend going for the caviar as opposed to lambskin, just because it's a lot more durable. You have to take a lot more care of the lambskin purse. It's a lot more softer, and honestly over time I just find it gets more ruined even if you are taking care of it because it's so delicate. So the caviar material is just so much more durable, and even if you do end up like scratching it or something happens, it's not going to be as noticeable as the lambskin. So I was going back and forth because I do really love the look of the nice lambskin material where it looks really soft and stuff, but I know myself and I know I just could not do it. I have to say, if you guys are looking into buying this purse and not sure if it's too small, I think it is a really good size personally. It is definitely not like super small. I do have like the Gucci Marmont mini, I believe, purse, and that is small. I can still fit my necessities in it, but this is much bigger. It is definitely not just a size of a wallet. Like, I feel like it's a good size. And then on the inside, all it comes with is just a little zipper right when you open it. It does have that like burgundy maroon red in the details, which I love. I love the black with like the maroon burgundy red. And then on the inside here, it just has the bigger pocket and it has little card holders. And then it also comes with the zipper, which also still has all of the packaging inserts in here. And then it also does have another pocket. So it has about 3 pockets in a row. And actually this zipper insert all the way here, it actually goes all the way down to the bottom of the purse. Of course, as you can see, it does have this little pocket on the back. So this is definitely gonna fit your essentials. It's definitely gonna fit my phone, my keys, lip gloss, lip balm, cards, card holder. Personally, I like to just carry a smaller purse with all my essentials. And then lately I've been having like a diaper bag with me because of my daughter. And I really do like Chanel because you take really good care of it. Lately, there's been sometimes like 2 to 3 price hikes every single year. The amount that Chanel purses have gone up is so crazy. So to me, I like to justify in my head that it is an investment and it will continue to go up. It's such a classic style, and I definitely want to pass this on to my daughter, and I just take really good care of it. And I really liked this purse as well because it's very versatile. You can wear it so many different ways. You can wear it as like the traditional like on your shoulder. You can even wear it crossbody. You could do a lot with this strap here. If you go ahead and just like wrap it underneath the chain and then close it, you can even wear it as like a little mini shoulder purse, which is really nice. I feel like I'd wear this a lot on like nights out. And of course you can even put the strap in and wear it as just a clutch with no strap at all. So it's very versatile, and like I said, for being a wallet on the chain, it's definitely a lot more spacious than you would think. It's wide enough as well to fit my phone, and there's still a lot of room to it. And you could, like I said, put keys, put your credit cards, cash, put sanitizer, whatever you want, lipstick, and everything will fit. But overall, I am just so pleased, and I'm so excited to style this and just be able to wear this. Though I am like very nervous. I'm like, I cannot ruin this. I need to take very good care of this. It makes me nervous. Nonetheless, I'm just so excited to wear all different ways and style it with outfits. I will link down below my Poshmark code for you guys if you want to sign up. You can buy anything. They have like every sort of designer purse on there, even just clothes or shoes in general. You could buy literally everything on there, and I totally recommend it because I think I got like about $1,000 off by going on Poshmark than if I were to go in with the boutique, which I think is such a good steal because this is like completely brand new. There's no wear and tear to it. It was taken really good care of. It came with all the packaging, so you still get the experience. And like I said, you don't have to get like it fully new with a receipt and tag if you want it to be even cheaper and you don't mind it being a little bit worn. We're selling like all ranges. There's so many different colors. Personally myself, I did want to stick with the classic black. I just feel like you can never go wrong with that, and it's just always going to stay in style. It matches with everything. And because it is such an investment, I just wanted to get a staple color that I'm not going to maybe down the line regret getting. I feel like all my luxury items are like black purses because I just like feel too nervous to go with a color just because it is of course more money. And I do find over time like the classic colors are the ones that keep up with the value if you do decide in the long run to resell. When I see the other colors, like I've seen a really nice pink one, that one really wasn't selling and it was just already priced at such a lower price point because a lot of people, if they're gonna spend the money, aren't going to want to get a color like that just because it is a more, you know, luxurious item, more expensive. So you want to get more of a classic color. I've been keeping it in the box on its own for so long now. I'm just waiting to do this video for you guys and unbox, but I hope this was useful. If you guys have questions, let me know. Like I said, I totally recommend using Poshmark if you're gonna get any secondhand luxury items or just honestly if you wanna go shopping in general and just get discounts. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.